Alright, boys, bro, let's look at this, bro. Okay, so this right here, right? This is where it's pointing at. This is where it's pointing at. So, bro, if you go near it, I'm going near it, Right here, look at this. Look at this. Look how much you get, bro. Oh my god, 74 iron. 5 diamonds! Goated, right? Yes, sir. Then you go over here, Sometimes it doesn't, like, you know, show where it is. Right here, yep. Bro. Look at that, bro. I just got 3 M's, bro. Nah, bro, this kid is no joke, bro. Bro, this kid is no joke. Oh, wait, it's behind me? Hold on. Right here, it's right here. Wait, where is it? Oh. Is it here? Oh, it's on top. It's probably on the... Let's go up, boys. Let's go up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What we get, bro? What we get? Bro, we get some emeralds, bro. No, this is better than miner, bro. Look. So it doesn't show. So you literally... It's basically like luck-based, but I'm not even gonna lie. It's literally fisherman. But it's just like a different type of way. Look at that. It's a different way of using the kit, you know? You basically have the same resources. Literally miner kit, dude. Look at this, dude. Alright, so you have to go where this pointer is going, bro. So look. So this pointer is where you have to go. So it's probably under here? Yeah, it's under here. I think. So let me just go under real quick, boys. Let's go under. Yes, sir. Is it not under here? It's kind of confusing, honestly, but it gives you some pretty good resources, bro. I'm getting confused. You see, bro? I'm kind of getting confused here. Is it on top? Oh, it's probably on top. Yeah. I think it's right here. No? Oh, it's right here. Hey, let's get him in. It's kind of invisible, bro. But yeah, dude. Look at this. Dude, this is literally goated, bro. This is insane. Bro, this being a tier 5 kit is literally... It's just too good to be a only just a tier 5 kit, bro. They need to nerf this kit, bro. Literally better than most of the resource kits. Like miner, bro. It's better than miner, bro. Oh, shoot. Bro, it's literally better than miner, bro. It's better than farmer, too. I mean, it's kind of confusing sometimes, but, like, bro. This kid is no joke. Okay, we clack. Alright, it's over here, boys. The arrow's pointing over here. Yes, sir. It's right here. Oh, it's up top. That top. Okay, so if you follow it, and if there's like a wall, it's probably on top of you. And if the arrow's facing on top of your head, like pointing on top of your head, then that means, yeah, it's up high. So it's somewhere over here. And it's right here. Yes, sir. What do I get? Bro, look at that, bro. I already have 16 M's, bro. This kid is no joke. Alright, we're gonna do one more, bro. Alright, so it's over here. Dude, where am I going? Oh, okay, it's right here. I think. Yep. I got kind of confused, honestly. So it's kind of confusing, but it does give you a lot of resources, bro. Hope you enjoyed this video, bro. Hope this helped, bro. And yeah, boys. Literally, top 10 kit, no cap. Alright, peace, boys. Peace.